a penguin went to school. One day, a cute little penguin was waddling down the hallway. He had a backpack on, and he was excited to go to his first day of school. He got to his desk and sat down. All the other kids were staring at him. He raised his flipper and the Aaron asked, "Do you mind?" Then he took out his books and started reading. The teacher came over and asked, "Can I help you?" He said, "I can read." Then the teacher said, "Well, that's very good. Can you spell cat?" He thought for a second and said, "C-U-T-E." The teacher said, "Well, that's not quite right, but it's a good try." Then the bell rang and it was lunchtime. He opened up his lunchbox and all he had was ice cubes. He looked so sad. One of the kids at the next table said, "Hey, want to see something cool?" He nodded his head. The kid took out a tuna sandwich and started feeding it to him. He was so happy. After they finished eating, it was time for gym class. He was running around the gym when suddenly he slipped and slid across the floor. Everybody laughed and he was like, "Ha, ha, very funny." At the end of the day, he was tired but happy. He got to meet so many new friends. He walked out of the school and looked back. All the kids were waving goodbye. He waved back and felt like he really belonged. Then one of the teachers came up to him and said, "Hey, you are the cutest student here today. Would you like an award?" He said, "Sure." So she gave him a certificate that said cutest student and he put it in his backpack and waddled all the way home. Do you want more funny videos about fun animals doing stuff? Just like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more incredible stories.